In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a TikTok business account in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to expand your brand's reach or dive into the world of TikTok ads, having a business account is your first step towards mastering this popular platform. Let's dive right in and break down this process into simple, manageable steps, ensuring that you can follow along seamlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to the TikTok homepage. You can do this by typing tiktok.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see several options for logging in or signing up. For our purposes today, we're focusing on those who haven't set up their TikTok account yet. Now, assuming that you're looking to streamline the process using your existing Google account, you'll see an option to continue with Google. It's a convenient choice that can save you time. Click on this and you'll be directed to a page where Google facilitates this connection for you. The idea here is to use one of your existing online identities to simplify the sign-up process on TikTok, minimizing the need for you to remember another password or set of login credentials. At this stage, Google will present you with a choice. If you're like me and have more than one Google account, you'll need to select the account you wish to use. It might be your personal account, but considering we're setting up a business account on TikTok, you might opt for a more professional or business-oriented Google account if you have one. This choice will affect the email notifications you receive from TikTok, so choose wisely. Once you've selected the appropriate Google account, you'll be prompted to give TikTok permission to access some of your Google account information. This is a standard procedure for many online platforms seeking to verify your identity and streamline your login experience. After reviewing the permissions and ensuring you're comfortable with what you're sharing, you'll want to click Continue. This action grants TikTok the access it needs, and voila, your TikTok account is essentially created. But we're not just here to create any TikTok account, we're focused on setting up a business account. What I've walked you through is the general process of creating a TikTok account with your Google credentials. The transition to a business account involves a few more steps within the TikTok platform, where you'll specify the nature of your business, potentially connect other social accounts, and start to think about the kind of content that will resonate with your audience on TikTok. Remember, the visuals I've described are there to guide you through each phase, so don't be afraid to pause, rewind, and rewatch any sections where you need a little extra time. Also, take a moment to explore TikTok's terms of service and privacy policy, especially concerning business accounts, so you're fully informed about how your data is used and what's expected from you as a business user on the platform. Diving into the world of TikTok with a business account opens up a realm of possibilities for creative marketing and can significantly expand your brand's reach. The process we discussed is straightforward, but planning your content strategy on TikTok is where the real fun begins. Be authentic, be engaging, and be ready to adapt. TikTok's dynamic platform rewards creativity and trend-savvy brands. Take these steps we've discussed today as your launching pad and begin exploring the vast, engaging world that TikTok offers to businesses. Whether you're aiming to go viral or simply looking to connect with a new segment of your audience, TikTok provides a unique, vibrant space for your brand to come alive. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to set up your TikTok business account. It's simpler than it might seem at first glance. Best of luck as you embark on this new, exciting chapter of your brand story. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on navigating the digital world and maximizing your impact on platforms like TikTok.